Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video we will talk about atomic number and mass numbers. First of all, we will discuss about atomic number. So what is atomic number? The number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is called the atomic number. It is represented by capital Z. The hydrogen atom has one proton in its nucleus. Its atomic number is 1. Carbon atom has 6 protons in the nucleus. Its atomic number is 6. An oxygen atom has 8 protons in the nucleus. What will be the atomic number of oxygen? So, each element has its own atomic number. We can identify an element by its atomic number. So next we will talk about mass number. What is mass number? The sum of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom is called its mass number. So it is represented by capital A. The hydrogen atom has only one proton in its nucleus. Its mass number is also 1. Carbon has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Its mass number is 12. We can use atomic number and mass number to find the number of neutrons in atoms. So mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. I hope so you understood this simple concept about atomic number and mass number. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.